You're lying there again, phone glowing in your face, telling yourself you'll fix your money, just not tonight. Your thumb keeps scrolling. Videos, posts, advice. You save them all, but never actually start anything. You think about your bank account. That number you avoid checking, you already know it's not where it should be. You whisper it quietly. I'll start tomorrow. It feels responsible. It feels like a plan. But tomorrow always feels far away. Safe, untouchable. A place where your future self magically has everything together. Morning comes, you're busy, work, messages, small distractions. The thought fades before it even becomes action. Later you remember again. A quick moment, a tiny spark of guilt, then gone. You tell yourself you're not lazy, you just need the right time, the right mood, the perfect moment. But that moment never arrives because it doesn't exist. And deep down, you know that. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months. Nothing dramatic happens. Just quiet delay, stacking silently. Your life keeps moving. Bills get paid, money comes in, then disappears just as fast. You start noticing things. People talking about investing, saving, growing, and you feel slightly behind. Not enough to panic, just enough to feel uncomfortable, like you missed a turn somewhere. Still, you tell yourself the same thing. I'll figure it out later. And it works for now.
Latter.
But here's the truth. Nothing is coming to save you from later. Later is just a softer word for delay. A comfortable lie that feels productive without requiring action. It protects you from discomfort, from facing numbers, from making decisions you're not used to making. And that's the trap. Not failure, not lack of knowledge, just quiet, repeated postponing. Because every time you say tomorrow, you train yourself to wait instead of act. And slowly, that becomes who you are. Someone who thinks, but doesn't move. And this is where everything changes. Not when you feel ready, but when you stop negotiating with yourself. Discipline isn't harsh, it's honest. It says, do it anyway. Even when it's uncomfortable, even when it's small, even when it doesn't feel exciting. Because every small action breaks the pattern. Every step forward rewrites who you believe you are. Saving a little. Learning one thing. Opening that account you've been avoiding. It's not about money anymore. It's about control. Taking back something you've been quietly giving away. Because freedom doesn't come later. It's built in moments like this. Quiet. Boring. Unseen. And most people will keep waiting. Keep scrolling. Keep promising themselves another tomorrow. But you're aware now. You see the pattern. You feel it every time you hesitate. So the question isn't, when will you start? It's this. Will you still say tomorrow, again tonight?